we have already discussed about all the table. Okay, now we start dialogue, because it will be asked in exam, the dialogue and how to convert into indirect speech. Now the most important thing is that you have to remember all the tables, the rules and regulation. Okay, so first of all, I have written two dialogues here. We discuss in deeply. For example, the first one. So when you read the dialogue, at that time you try to get the information about the pronoun, that how many persons are talking there. Here Devyani and Dev. So Devyani means, remember the pronoun she, her, hers, herself. Another Dev. Dev means he, him, his, himself. Okay, and another thing is that you read the dialogue properly and try to get that that is affirmative sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence, let sentence, let sentence. So don't go all the paragraph, just go through one by one sentences, so you can make very clearly the dialogue. Okay, first of all, I read that Devyani, will you marry me? That is the question mark. So first of all, we write the dialogue here, that who is speaking? Devyani. Okay, now see that is a question mark. So we can write here, asked to whom? Dev. So Devyani asked Dev. That is complete. Devyani asked Dev. Now you can see that there are two rules. If WH given there, so we can use WH as a conjunction, and suppose WH not is there, then we can write if as a conjunction. So Devyani asked Dev, if. Will you? So you can write here you will, because we have to make affirmative sentence. So will you? So you will. You means Dev. So Dev means the subject is he. So Devyani asked Dev, he. Okay. After that will. So will का क्या होगा? Would. When you change the words, it is necessary to make underline below the words. Okay, so Devyani asked Dev, if. You means Dev, he, will का होगा would. After that marry, and me means, me is used as a speaker, Devyani. So I, me, my. So here me is used. So who is speaker? Devyani. So we can use her. So he would marry her. The first sentence is complete. Now see that Devyani, no is given. Suppose yes is given there, then you can write replied positively. Okay, and suppose no is given there, so don't write no, but we can write replied negatively. Okay, so here no is given, so we can write who is speaker? Dev. So Dev replied her negatively. Yeah, you can write Dev replied negatively to her. You can write like this also. Now there is full point, and that I can't means and added that I means Dev means he can't, so can't का क्या होगा, couldn't. That is the finish. Okay. Now Devyani, what is the problem with you? See that the first question asked Devyani and the next question also asked Devyani. So we can write here Devyani asks again to him. So that is the question mark. So we can write what as a conjunction. What is the problem? So what after that subject, the problem, and then verb. So what is the problem? So what the problem was. What the problem was with. Now you can see that you means Dev. So we can, you can see here you, your. So here you is used as object. Suppose you come first, then we can use you as a subject, but this is the last. So you and you. So who is you? Dev. So Dev means him. So what the problem was with him? That is over. Dev, now you are my sister as we have the same father. That is the replied answer. So we can write that Dev replied her that. They replied her that. Now, so we can write here, then you are, you means Devyani, she was my sister, I, me, my. So Dev, he, him, his sister as we have. तो we का होगा they, have का होगा had. They had the same father. Okay, that is the dialogue of indirect speech. So I hope that all of you got the point. Okay, you can write this one. Now next, second sentence. First of all, see that Chetan means he, him, his, himself, and Hiral means she, her, hers, herself. Okay, and write it down. I, me, my, mine, myself. and you, your, yours, yourself. Okay, so that you can easily recognize it. Now, Chetan, good morning, how are you? Hiral says, fine, thank you. Chetan, will you help me to solve this sum? Hiral, sure, but let me finish my work. So here you can see that there are two sentences. The first one is good morning and another is how are you, and the last sentence is about interrogative sentence, and the first one is about good morning, that is optative sentence, wish. So we can write that Chetan wished Hiral good morning. The first sentence is complete. Good morning. So Chetan wished Hiral good morning. Now that is the full point, and another sentence begins. So, and question mark. So ask to whom? Hiral. Hiral means her, and ask her how are you. So we can, you can make affirmative sentence. So how you are. Okay, so first of all, and ask her how you means Hiral. Hiral means she. Amizar was where, how she was. That is the first sentence is over. Now Hiral, fine. Fine means replied positively. So we can write, what is the question here? How she was. How are you? So suppose you replied that fine, that means I am fine. So we can write Hiral replied him that. Now what is the question? How she was, and replied fine. That means Hiral replied him that she was fine. ओके, यहाँ पे शॉर्ट दिया है तो हमें उसको जिस तरह से जो क्वेश्चन आएगा उसी तरह से हमें आंसर लिखना होगा. आप ऐसा नहीं लिख सकते कि भाई Hiral replied fine. Okay, what is the meaning of fine? How are you? So you can say fine. That means I am fine. Okay, so replied him that she was fine. And another sentence, thank you. So fine, and added that and not added that but and thank you. So and thanked you means Chetan, him, and thanked him. Now next, Chetan, will you help me to solve this sum? Once again ask the question. So Chetan asks again to Hiral if W is not here, so we can write if. Will you? So we can write you will. You means Chetan. He would help me. Me means Chetan. So I, me, Chetan. He, him. So he would help him. No, you means Hiral. So here she would help him to solve this, that, some. Okay. Now Hiral, sure means Hiral replied that she would surely help him. She would surely help him. जैसा क्वेश्चन वैसा आंसर. And here but used as a conjunction, then we remove but. Okay, and see that let me finish my work, that is imperative sentence. So let me finish means request. Who? Hiral. And Hiral requested Chetan to let me means her, to let her finish my work. That means I, me, my. See her, her. So request Chetan to let her finish her work. Okay. So this is the dialogue. You understood? Now you can write this in your notebook. Please don't forget to write it down, so then whenever you need to revise, at that time you can see that my video. Okay. So write it down.